Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So here I'm showing you guys a clip from my last video when I unboxed the Max Beauty skincare products. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use all of the items in the kit, which I have been using for the past 2 weeks. It's been exactly 2 weeks, and I'm showing you guys this clip because I want you guys to see what I started off with. I want you guys to see how my skin looked and all the bumps and the discoloration. You guys can see all of that in this clip. And I have been using the skin care kit religiously for 2 weeks straight, every morning and every night. And I'm going to show you guys how I use all of the items in the kit. But guys, this is what I started off with. And after 2 weeks, this is what my skin is looking like. You guys can see, oh my God, these products have worked amazing on my skin in just 2 simple weeks. I have already seen a huge difference in the way that my skin looks, the way that it feels, and it just looks amazing. Here I'm standing in front of my window so you guys can see my actual skin without any additional lighting. But during the skincare routine, I am using a ring light in my bathroom. So that's why I wanted to show you guys how my skin looks in front of the window using natural light. And guys, these products have been working amazing on my skin. I start off with the beauty bar of my choice, which is the Turmeric bar. And here I'm wetting my face. I usually just use water in the shower, but for the purpose of this video, I will be using a towel. So now I am rubbing the soap in my hand, and what I like so much about the soap is that it lathers well. And guys, I'm just using my hands to just rub that soap right into my skin, and the soap just makes your skin feel so soft, and it has a really, really nice scent to it. I always get my neck because my neck is my problem area. Everything is a problem area, but my neck is really dark. So whatever I do to my face, I always do to my neck just to try to get it as even as possible. So now I am wiping my face down with a warm water on my towel. And you always want to just be really gentle on your skin. Now my neck do appear a lot darker on camera because I'm standing right in front of a ring light. So you can see the color is bouncing back and forth. But in reality, my neck is darker than my face, but it is appearing a lot darker here on camera. So I'm moving on to the facial scrub. This is the facial scrub. I'm going to show you guys how it looks. And my face is wet, of course, as I'm going to put the scrub on. And that's how it looked, guys. A little goes a long way. Look how much I use on my entire face and neck, guys. That's it. You really can have these products last a really long time if you're wise about the way you use them. And guys, you will see that little bit that I took out, it covers my entire face as well as my neck. And I really like this scrub. I usually use the scrub every night, but for the purpose of this video, of course, I'm using everything one after the other so I can show you guys how I use them. But normally every night I will wash my face with a beauty bar, and then I use the scrub, then I use the toner, and then I put my beauty serum and I go to sleep. And guys, I'm just rubbing it into my skin and it feels so good. The scrub feels amazing on the skin. It's very gentle on the skin also. And it has like these, like, I don't know what they call them, like I guess a herb that they use in it, and like a beans. They're like little beans and they feel so good when you rub them into your skin. And now guys, I'm using a warm towel to wipe that off. And as I'm wiping it off, I can just feel the cleanse in my skin. It feels amazing. It really feels clean and it looks great. Now I'm moving on to the mask. What I like about her mask is that it comes with a cute little spoon attached to the back. So I use that spoon and I only use 1 spoonful, guys. You guys see, a little goes a long way. I'm telling you guys. So I put that in, and you can use water, not the tap water, but you can use spring water, purified bottled water, or apple cider vinegar, which I use. Apple cider vinegar is very, very good for your skin. So I shake that and I use the one with the mother. I just put half of the cap mixed in with 1 spoon of mask, guys, and it's been working amazing on my skin. Apple cider vinegar is very, very good. It's full of great benefits for the skin. So then I mix that up, guys, and I use a plastic bowl to mix it all in. As you can see, I'm mixing it in there, and you want it to have like a paste-like consistency, not too pasty, but also not too liquidy. And I'm going to show you guys right now what I'm working with. And this little bit is going to cover my entire face and neck, guys. Like I said, again, a little goes a long way, which is amazing. These products can really last a long time. So you can put the mask on just your problem areas if you want, or you can do like me, put it on your entire face and your neck, which I'm doing here. So I'm going to put it on my entire face and my entire neck. Again, guys, for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you guys all the products in the kit. But normally I only use the mask for this past 2 weeks. I've used the mask 3 times. So I use it like every 3 to 4 days or so. Actually, every 4 days I use the mask. And I do that at night. I like to use the mask at night. So what I do is I wash my face with a beauty bar. After I use the beauty bar, I do a scrub and then I put the mask and then I rinse it off and put my beauty serum and go to bed. And the mask has been working amazing. So I'm getting my chin and my neck, guys, because whatever I do to my face, I'm definitely going to do it to my neck. So guys, I'm putting all of that product on my face. I am using every bit of that product, every bit of it. You can see I emptied out the bowl. Now what I'm going to do is wet my hands and then I'm going to rub that right in. So that way my hands smooth out the mask on my face and just blend it in a lot better. You don't have to do this. You can just use the spoon if you don't want to get your hands dirty, but it doesn't stain. As you can see, I have white nails and it doesn't stain. So I just use my hands to really smooth it out. And then I let that sit for about 20 minutes. Now keep in mind, if you're using apple cider vinegar and you have very sensitive skin, it can give you that tingly feeling. And if you put it close to your eyes, you can also get a bit of an irritation. So you want to be careful. But I love the results I get using the apple cider vinegar. So now after about 20 minutes, it's all hardened up, guys. So I'm going to go in with a warm towel. I'm going to just press the towel against the mask to loosen it up. And I'm going to do that very gently. So I'm going to loosen up the mask and then I will continue doing that until it's all off my face. And guys, as I'm taking it off, I my skin just feels so refreshed. Oh my God. It feels so refreshed. It's just so refreshing to your skin to use a really good natural mask. And yeah, this mask is definitely one of my faves right now. Although I've just started treating my skin, I've always done masks every now and then, but this mask by far has been one of my favorite. It feels great. It really feels great. And it doesn't stain, which I love. So now, guys, you can see my skin is nicely clean and I'm going in with her toner. Now, guys, I am not playing with these products. These products are going to last me a long time. So her toner, it looks like this and it has 2 sides. It has the scrub side and it has a smooth side. So what I do, guys, is I use the scrub side in the morning. And then what I do after I use the scrub side, I put the side that I use facing up and the opposite side, I use that at night, which is the soft side since I use my scrub every night. And guys, I mean, you might think it's nasty, but honey, it is not nasty. I use one side. There's no need to throw away my toner pad for no reason. And the other side is full of goodness. So I just flip that right over and I use the opposite side at night, guys. So like I said, a little goes a long way, and these products really can last you a good amount of time if you use them wisely. And of course, I'm putting that toner on my neck because I just want my skin to look as even as possible. So now I'm showing you guys what I'm doing. See, I just used the soft side. So I'm putting it down on the opposite side. So the side that I use is facing up. Close that up and baby, later on tonight, I'm going to use it again. Now I'm going to go in with my beauty serum. I usually let the toner dry a little bit because you don't want it to be too wet on your face. So I just kind of like air dry my face just for about 2 minutes or so. And then I go in with my beauty serum. A little goes a long way, guys. This beauty serum is amazing. So normally I just kind of like shake it a little bit to get all that goodness in. And then, guys, I just use 4 pumps on my face, okay? I do 1 on each side, and then I kind of like move around the one on my forehead because I don't want it to fall in my eye, and then I do 1 on my neck. Okay, guys, then I'm going to rub that all in, and that is enough. That's actually more than enough. A little goes a long way. I know you guys are getting tired of me saying that, but I'm just telling you, a little goes a long way. These products are definitely worth the money because they can last you a very long time. It's been 2 weeks so far, and I still have a lot of product from my skincare kit. So now, guys, I'm rubbing that right into my skin, and that is the beauty serum, honey. So that's what's keeping my face looking really, really nice and moisturized. Now, if it's nighttime, I just use the beauty serum and I go to bed. But if it's daytime in the morning, what I do is I put on my moisturizer because I'm going out, I'll be in the sun and everything. So I put the moisturizer over that. But at nighttime, I just go to bed after I put on my beauty serum. I really, really get that beauty serum into my skin, and you can see how beautiful my skin is looking already. So now I'm going in with her rich moisturizer. And guys, 1 pump, that's all you need. 1 pump literally will get your entire face and neck. So you see that little bit, kind of spread it out on my face and my neck, as you see I'm doing here, and then I rub it in and I get it over my entire face, guys. So yeah, that little bit of moisturizer literally covered my entire face and neck. A little goes a long way for the last time, guys. And you want to moisturize that right into your skin, guys. Make sure you cover your entire face. I even go over my eyes. You know, close your eyes because you don't want to get these products in your eyes, of course. And voila, my skin just feels amazing. And now I'm standing in front of my bedroom window, natural lighting, showing you guys what my skin is looking like, as I already did in the beginning of this video, but now you guys can see. Oh, my skin just feels happy. I feel happy, and I just can't believe it took me this long to get on the bandwagon of skincare. But guys, I'm loving these products. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me on my skincare journey. Fenty Beauty is coming out, so I'm definitely going to get my hands on that. So stay tuned for more skincare videos. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.